Hey everyone, so today I received my Ipsy box in which I get Ipsy bag. Usually in this bag you can get 2 full-size products and 3 travel-size products. Like you can see here, I received these. So first I have this eyeshadow. This is actually a shimmer eyeshadow, or you can say it's a metallic eyeshadow. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll definitely. And this eyeshadow is from Beauty for Real. Then I have this lip gloss and you can see the shine. And this lip gloss is from Shinabi. Next I have this face wash, and this face wash is very good for normal skin and oily skin, as it says on the packaging. Then I have this eye brightening cream. I have too many eye brightening creams, but I'm not using them. I don't know why. Then I have this pore perfector from Benefits. And here you can see in glam bag you can get $70 value products just in $13 a month. And in full size package you can get $200 value products just in $28 a month. And you can get the link from my profile. I have Ipsy website link mentioned in my bio. And next I have this hydration treatment from Amika. I love LYS products. I already have their bronzer, eyeshadow palette, primer. Now I have this pore minimizing detox mask. Next I have this Coco Kind hydrating cream, and I'll try it soon. Next I have these lip pencils from Lunar Beauty, and these are 2 shades I get, and these look so creamy, so I thought to give them a try on my hand. So there is one light color and one like a brick color. Next I have this Laura Seller soft eyeshadows. In this kit you will get 2 shimmer shadows and 6 matte shadows. And if you are willing to get all branded products in a reasonable price or discount price, go check Ipsy link in my profile and do sign up there and enjoy your Ipsy.